Céad fáilte ní méidir ar an scálan sa brónar céad fáiltin seineo ar tús maith lean na haibre. Bháil an fáilte chur i bar fad agus na caintrí atá chur a láthir inniu. Is mis Sinéad Fhátharta ceannasaí Fiontraíochta Fostaíochta agus tá rifost má teagháilinn sin le má tá si gur a rifost a chum agam a ggéanám le ceistní nó plé dhéanamh faoi uair tugraí. Just mar ólas chuoib tá an na seisiún seo a hafad inniu agus bé sé ar fáil ar Údarás na Gaeltachta tríd an YouTube má tá sib gar a breanú siar agus i dtíobh sin. Agus I rith an seisiún má tá aon ceistní agus is féidir le iad a chur suas ar an Q&A a rinne háman ar hagan na ceistní agaí. So I'd like to welcome everyone here today. It's great to have Tús Maith Leland Hybrid starting off today, and I'm the Sinéad Fhátharta Head of Enterprise in Údarás na Gaeltachta. Myself and my team will be working with you over the coming weeks in these sessions. So my contact details are there if anyone wants to contact me after this session or throughout the coming weeks. The sessions will be recorded and will be on the Údarás na Gaeltachta YouTube channel, so for you to review them at any time, because often we hear some points and need to go back on others, so they're there as a resource for you. And if you have any questions throughout the session, you can put them in the Q&A and we'll be monitoring them and be able to facilitate questions to the speakers. Béan session seo I méarla agus an Gaeilge tromlacha I méarla inniu le na caintrí. So majority of the session will be through English today, as our speakers are experts in their field and will be communicating through English. So so don't be worried in that respect. I will use both English and Irish when I'm speaking. So anything we can help in respect of that. So I suppose just as a brief intro, I suppose when my team and I were discussing how we would like to engage and support entrepreneurs, particularly new entrepreneurs or people who have thoughts and really want to know how will I kick this off. I'm interested in doing something for myself or maybe doing something new in my business. How should I undertake this? So in Forbartha le seanna cuidiú le an Fiontraí an sibhéin an seo tá géisteacht le má tá Coincheap agaí agus go dúra sib faoi breanú ar na cratalach agus na móna is féidir leat beidir an bóthar a ghirú trí úsáid na móna gnó le tuairt faoi seo. Agus tá muidin seo mar agriar forbar le cuidilib agus héis an seisiún seo nó amachchan seo is féidir linn teagháilíonna linn a ggéanám le haid tugur a phlé. So we're really looking at how we can support you, the entrepreneur, the person with the idea, and how that you can use the various frameworks or models and also the resources that are available through our ITs and through various clusters that may help and support you to ease the way. We're not expecting eureka moments that we wake up, had a dream, and this is going to be the next Facebook or the next Google. We're really hoping to be able to support you in this, what can be a difficult and trying element of the business, where you're looking to see, have you got the right concept, have you got the right idea, and does the market want it? So through the next few sessions we'll go through various aspects of the business. Now, as you also might know, Údarás can't support every business, but we can support and give incentives to certain sectors. So we're key in our strategy. Key sectors would be niche manufacturing, international traded services, added value and respect of food and drink, ICT and fintech, life sciences, particularly I suppose in Galway with the medtech, and also the bioeconomy and the marine, and looking at the circular economy and the green economy. All of these are very key sectors, and there's a lot of opportunities out there. So we're hoping we can help you develop your business concept to be able to benefit from these opportunities in the various markets. So mar dúirt tá is féidir linn takeíocht a hort go réimse lehan ach bheith cinnte gur titin siad tiiste go na criteir. Ach fiúhain morid ditin táid an ná cuidiú le beidir tríd ólas a chur ar fáil chuoib nó an tugraibh lé amach lib. Tá na feimimeí tá gobar san Údarás thar a bheith ólach agus sanolalas acu I dtíobh cuidiú le cólachtaí agus ní chearcamach fatis bethirí techt a gaiintlinn I dtíobh sin. And I suppose we have a wide range of support. I'm not going to go into these individually, and I suppose we're really focusing on the top one there at the moment, the feasibility and Staidir Fhátharta, where you can get support to do your market research, to look at what new business model you're going to use. So it's a very good and it eases the way, and it also helps to develop prototypes, etc., and get expertise, purchase expertise. Agus tá takeíochtaí and those R&D, just Fostaíochta agus réile ach camid tús a chur leis an córa agus tús a chur le an Forbartha ar an Coincheap ar dús spáide. Agus is dói I breanú ar na cuide seo ag céitama de dhéanana san Clár seo. Is Clár geara agus is really de sé tóirt faoi breanú ar taide margaíocht, Forbartha Coincheap, Annalise Margaí agus Coincheap chruthú. And through the next four sessions today and our following three, the next 3 Fridays, we're looking at how to undertake market research, to develop the concept development, market analysis, and the proving of your concept. And these are all very important stages in your concept development. And will help work towards a strong business plan and a strong concept for your customer, whether your customer is B2B, business to business, or B2C, business to consumer. The important groundwork, knowing what experience or what service or what product you're going to sell to the gap that's in the market is important. And our experts and our entrepreneurs who will be speaking to us over the next number of weeks will be helping in this development. Ní me go si chuine bhád eile ach rá tásúlam goháin sib solta sanne. Thna seachtaí bé deisinaí agin leabhar na chéile an teachtain se thugain be mu de brise amach an na grúpi bega agus ana áil ar na chéile. Agus tá le gach nó tá sé fíor hábhachtach gomach mu de caiintla na chéile agus an baint ag fólam ó chéile a dtíobh sin.